everybody, welcome to Timeless Fluid Art. My name is Jenise and welcome to my channel. Thank you subscribers, every subscriber. Now today I'm doing I think a wooden round. I don't really have anything else that I have that I can do. I do have some squares but I have to sand them down. I haven't done that. Okay, filled up my base coat, which is Glidden GLE 3000 interior semi-gloss, and then I'll be using these paints. Now I combined quinacridone by Amsterdam with carmine, so it's not too red and not too pink, and I'll show you the color. Here it is. It's a pretty color. It's not too, it's a pretty beautiful pink. Okay, now I've written the date that I did it. It's August 26th, which is yesterday. And I mixed it with 2 parts of my Bear, which is Bear Deep Base Paint and Primer Enamel. It is not colored, so when you buy it straight away, no coloring at all. And I mixed it with 1 part of Jasanya varnish. Let me show you that. That's this here. This is the best thing, I think. It's great. So, all right. So now you mix that together, and I keep it in a gigantic Folgers. Hey, whatever you got, whatever you can grab, you can put it in. My sister uses this coffee, which is crazy because it's I don't know, it's instant coffee. I don't use that, but anyway, she uses that, so I use that container. And then I also did 2 parts of the Bear, 1 part Jasanya. Mixed it up, put it in there, I kept it overnight. Also, this one here is Phthalo Green. Phthalo Green, and I love Phthalo Green. The color looks like turquoise. It's just gorgeous. It's like a blue-green color, absolutely fantastic. And of course dated. And then I have here, this is Nickel Titanium Yellow by Amsterdam. A lot of my followers or subscribers pop in like in the middle of the night, so they don't really get to see me mix paint or anything, but, and you notice how big, okay? That's about how much of the Bear and Jasanya you put. Just fill it to that, you know, about 3/4 of an inch, and then you add 2 drops of the paint. So this one here is Sky Blue. It's a beautiful color. I love Sky Blue. You'll always see this in a painting of mine. Next we have Violet, which it is really ultramarine violet. Comes out a lot lighter once you've added the Bear and Jasanya. And that's what that color is. I have to mix this a little bit more, but that'll do right now. And then this one here is Prussian Blue. And yeah, Prussian Blue. I love this color. Let me show you the difference. It's gorgeous, beautiful color. I have to mix this a little more too. Okay, then for my cell activator, I'm using, let me see, Lamp Black. I've seen a lot of people out there now using Lamp Black, so I decided, well, let me try it. So you could buy the paints at Amazon, or I think you can even get it at Michael's, but I think online only. And just fill it up, 2 drops of paint, boom, done. Can you see everything? Yeah, you can. I don't want to have it too close to me, so let me do this. And move you towards that way. Okay. Now what I do is I usually just, I have tin foil on the bottom there. And it stays really well because every now and then I have to clean the bottom, and when I take all that off, it's just looks like a brand new spinner. And I don't have to do it that way, but I kind of prefer to do it like this because when I mess up, or when the paint flows over, you just lift up the corners of the paper towel and you get a clean station in a matter of 2 seconds. All right, now I'm going to cut off also the points. So let me get my, there we go. These are beautiful pieces. They're 1/4 inch thick, so they take whatever you put on them. They will not warp. And I get them also on Amazon. Amazon has everything that I use. I'm not affiliated with them as far as that. It's just, I'm gonna have to get some water. Okay, now if you see the video skip here, it's because I'm getting some water and it's not going to be lined up with everything, so hold on. I'll be cutting it out. The recipe I've given you is from Shelley Art for the blooms, of which I don't really like doing the blooms. It's like they're pretty, but they're hard to do as far as with my base coat. I don't have any of the GAC 100 or 800. I may have a little actually. Yeah, I think I do. So hold on. I'm gonna get some and thin out my base coat. The base coat, I'm not gonna do a bloom though, so forget I said that. Get out of glove. I love working with my comb. Now, okay. I'm not going to pour it all yet. Let's see how far it goes. It's going pretty well. I'm not going to use it all yet. Let it sit a bit. One thing about it, when you're doing it this particular with the comb, you don't have to have a pillow or anything like that, which is what I really like too. Now you see I got one big bubble. I'm gonna pop it right now. Okay, nothing else. All right, first things first, I have to figure out what I want to do for the layer. So I think I'm gonna really just use, I love this. This color is just, I just love it. Go like this. Okay. I'm gonna put some light blue on top of it. Okay, and of course a little bit of yellow. I'm just going to go this way. And then I'm going to do purple on top here. Okay. And yes, I'm going to use all the colors because I love them all. And I'll put the phthalo green over here. And my quinacridone over here too. And I don't know what this is going to do. This is Indigo Wave. Put it right in the middle. Indigo Wave is a pigment. And then I'm going to use Submarine on top of it. These are little piggy pigments. And I'm not really not sure if I even mix these properly, so if they don't work, it's my fault. First time I've ever had pigments, so we'll see what happens. I don't know what it's supposed to do, really, to tell you the truth. But I like the colors. Blue and green are my absolute, blue and yellow are great together because they mix very well. All right, now let me just nab that little color right here, right out of there. See what I did? All right, now I'm debating whether to, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do it that way. All right, so hold on, let me move this out of the way and bring my, this here. And I'm going to add, oh, let me move my, put that right there. Let me get some of my swiping material. This is packing material. And I'm going to do the lamp black, since we do know it works. I'll do this side, and all you do is just put on like this, see? All right. That's why I have it dripping right here, so it goes right here. And there's a lot on here. Okay. And just very lightly. Okay, beautiful cells. Whoa, that's a lot of cells. I don't care who you are, that is a lot of cells. Whoa. Let me spin a little bit, let's see what happens. Cool. Okay, now nothing went up there, so let me just tilt this a little bit. A little bit more. Actually, I could add some more paint over there. Always go away from your painting, otherwise you get streaks. All right, now I'm going to put this over here. I hate to even mess these cells up, but I'm going to do just a little bit right in here. And I already felt myself digging too deep. So, oh, I didn't want to use that side. Ooh. That's okay. I'm very lightly doing it now. is too deep right now. Okay. And now I have to really pour a lot of this off, otherwise I'm going to get a lot of problems here. And pour this way, gets that rid of that white. Too much white. That's what I like. See? You drip right back on here. And go back this way. Oh, these colors are gorgeous now. Cells are magnificent. Then I'm going to go all the way. I have to get rid of this here. I really do. And this little guy right here. Get them all off, mostly off. I just love when I do that. I didn't even use gold, did I? I used nothing. Okay. Next I'm going to do something completely different. But I may or may not use the comb next one. I think I'm going to do a... Alright, that's that one. Look at all the cells. I love when you can get it looking like a stained glass. Beautiful. Alright, let me just wipe my hand here. Okay, here's the first one. Look at those colors. Outrageous. Beautiful. Really gorgeous. Lots of colors. I love the colors. Paints. I didn't hardly use any of them. I only used the last 6 I made. And then here, some of them I have. I'm getting ready for an art show. Eventually. So, here's my birthday cake. See it? The candles. I love using my comb. My favorite is this one right here. Love it. I haven't, that's my copper. See how pretty it is? My copper, I gotta get it. I can't wait to get it. And I get it today. So you may see me tonight doing another one. And here, let me show you what it looks like varnished. I can get it out of here. Here. This one's varnished. Looks so good. I get it out. And this one, look at the glare. Look at this. I mean, really, it's gorgeous. I love them. These are all my really good ones. The ones I love. I love most of my paintings anyway. And here's some more. And look at this. I mean, really, it's varnished. Oh, maybe it's not. No, I didn't. Yeah, no, I didn't varnish that yet. But because it's got gold, it looks great. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll get back with you later. All right, bye-bye.